Hey, good afternoon, Suresh Marar. I've been uploading videos pertaining to architectural solutions. What I thought today was to give an introduction about myself as to who I am, what is my basic background in terms of education, and my sales experience pertaining to various organizations. I thought this would be useful to various salesperson who's just starting his career in sales, basically because I have gone through a phase where it was things were very tough. I've not been able to sell the product, but then I still kept working, kept my job going, convinced my people that this is not the right product for that particular marketplace. Having said that, let me uh, tell you about myself, possibly in the next 8-10 minutes. I am Suresh Marar. I am 64 years young. My initial education was in Pune, a school called Loyola High School, which is supposed to be one of the best schools in Maharashtra. Subsequently, my father got transferred. I had to move along with him. Completed my higher secondary from Kendriya Vidyalaya Shahpur. Joined St. Xavier's College. Completed my graduation in arts. Went on to do my postgraduate diploma in business management again from Calcutta. My first job was with Graphics India, where I joined them as a sales executive, subsequently promoted as a senior sales executive. My primary job responsibility was to sell photocopiers imported from Rank Xerox in an assigned territory. Now, this Graphics India was part of the Dr. B.K. Modi group, and that was a time when they were contemplating launching Modi Xerox, wherein the manufacturing facility and manufacturing of the photocopiers, consumables, all electronic parts was to be done in UP, place called Rampur. I joined Modi Xerox in 1985 as a senior sales executive. Was given South Bengal. Very honestly, I was a failure in terms of selling the machine for 6 months. I just couldn't sell it. Now, primary reason being that the product was 2.5 lakhs. Uh, my territory was, or my accounts was basically the bazaar sales. I mean the jobbing segment, or the small organizations like the traders, distributors. At that point of time, there was a competition product which was available much cheaper and with better features. Fair enough. I always took my managers along with me for calls. I took my branch manager along with calls. They had something in mind, which of course they didn't disclose to me. The basic idea was what I feel now is that they wanted Modi Xerox name to be grilled into the minds of people in the territory that I was operating, which I have done absolutely well. I was moved to the regional office in Calcutta. I was there for 6 months. My primary responsibility was to support the sales team, ensure walk-in customers are taken care of, given demonstration, product explained. 6 months down the line, I was called by my regional manager. Said, "Good, you had nice time. Now back to the field." Well, I loved it. I was given North Bengal. I have not looked back since then. I put my best foot forward. The very first tour, I bought in 3 orders from Bhutan. Possibly I was the only executive handling the largest territory in India, that is 2 countries, 1 state and 5 districts of North Bengal. I did a stupendous job, and from this territory, in the 4 years that I was there, I qualified for 3 Grand Slams. And that itself is very remarkable. I'm very happy about the performance. I left this organization in 1992. I joined a company called Metal Distributors UK Limited, London. This was basically an indenting house dealing with non-ferrous metals. This was again, I felt a very good move, basically because I learned a lot in terms of documentation, in terms of shipping, in terms of what these metals are, and negotiations at the highest level, because the metals were traded on the London Metal Exchange, both in London and in Singapore. And the prices keep changing every minute. So you speak to the highest level in the organization where you quote a price and that sale is closed. There for 3 years, moved on to Sterling Resorts, a subsidiary company, Sterling Tree Magnum, where I was primarily responsible for overseeing the eastern operations. I joined them as a divisional manager, handled about 150, 200 people across the east. High pressure job, very tricky job, uh, but then yes, you did a good job there. But because of government regulations, the company had to wind up its operations across India, and that was a time when I really had a tough time. Being the divisional head, I could immediately switch over jobs because there were a lot of assets under me that had to be cleared, which I did with absolute honesty and integrity. All was handed over to the head office, but then I was rewarded with a posting as a zonal manager west for Sterling Resorts, Mumbai, where I was primarily responsible for handling 4 states. Well, was there in for about a year and a half, after which I moved down to south. Again a new company, a new challenge, where I was selling microfilming equipments costing almost about 70 lakhs for an equipment, 70 lakhs to almost 2 crores, depending on the facilities that you required in the system. Majorly my customers were the defense sector, and we did a very good job there. Was there for almost 3 years. Moved into retail, was in retail for almost 12 years, worked on major brands like More, uh, your Heritage, Nilgiris, and Subiksha. Learned a lot from here in terms of what operations is all about, what category analysis is all about, what merchandising is all about, what supply chain management is all about, what human resources is all about, because you handle people who are basically class 10 or 12 for the store operations, frontliners. The store manager possibly could be a graduate, could be a graduate, right? So you really had to train these people. So we did a good job. I did a good job there, and subsequently moved on to another company, basically dealing in food, but as distributors, as a country manager. Uh, Worked for 2.5 years, moved into again a product which was totally different from what I have been doing in the past, architectural solutions. I joined an Australian brand in Hyderabad called Freedom Screens. They were primarily responsible for making or providing solutions for door, window, and balcony openings. Possibly that was this is the only company, possibly in Asia, providing this kind of a solution. Was there for almost a year. Subsequently started on my own. Now I am an entrepreneur, basically into 3 verticals. One providing architectural solutions, the other providing biodegradable products, and the third providing food solutions. The grace of God, pulling on, doing reasonably well for myself. Having said all this, during my career as a salesperson, I had my own pressures at home, where I had 2 children who were very young, going to school. I had to travel a lot. My wife has actually taken care of children, and hats off to her and my children for having supported me in this endeavor. Thank you so much. Subscribe my channel. Please give your comments and like my channel for making such videos, and getting to know each other well. Possibly over a period of time, I will also start coming on with sales training programs, what I have learned in life, so that people who have not had the opportunity of attending sales programs can learn from this. Thank you so much once again. Bye.